Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So we're going to remove this radio trim panel. There's two Phillips head screws underneath here. There's one right here. There's another one over here. Pull those screws out. Then you can grab this panel and just pop it out. You may need a trim tool underneath here. There's a bunch of clips. There's clips up here, clips over here. And we're gonna disconnect the electrical connector for the hazard switch on the back. Can you see? Mm-hmm. So you can use, I'm just going to use the screwdriver and push down on the lock and pull the connector out. Little lock right here. See right there? Just push down on that. And there's another lock on the rear defroster button. Push that one down. That's right there. And for the auxiliary outlet, the 12 volt auxiliary outlet or cigarette outlet, we'll just grab the connector. You can pull that straight out. There's no lock on that. And that's the cover. To do the rear defroster switch, to remove it, we can push on this little tab right here. And push it through. There's your defroster switch. To install the defroster switch, just line this up and push it in place. We're going to connect this electrical connector right here. I'll slide this over here. And then we're going to connect these other two electrical connectors. The wide one's going to go to the bottom for the rear defrost. Lock that one in, and then connect the top one for the hazard switch. It's all lined up. We can take our two Phillips head screws. Screw this in down here. One screw here, one screw on the other side. Snug those up. That's good. Turn the power on, and it works.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.